Everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can change your Twitter account's username. And yeah, before we start with our video, like our video, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends and family, and yeah, watch this video till the end. Yeah, let's go. So just first of all, just go to your Twitter app, and once your app is opened, click on this profile icon above left corner, tap on that icon, and then you will just go to this option called setting and support. And once you tap on it, you will have another option called setting and privacy. Tap that option, and then first you have your option called your account. Simply tap on that app option. Now you will have various options popped up, so we'll just choose account information. Tap on that, and now you have your username, contact, your details are just there. So you will tap on this username option above, tap on that, and now you can change your username to whatever you would like. So you have to tap in a valid username, so that can be done. So yeah, this is my another username that I just added, and once your username is confirmed, once you get that green tick, then you will tap on this done option, tap on that option, and now my username is updated. So to show you, you will just go back to your profile icon again, and as you can see, my username has been changed. The username is below your display name. So yeah, that is my username and that is changed. This is how you change your username on your Twitter app. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.